Hi everyone, this is KG Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Kingdom, Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad, gawa natin ito reaction video. Itong interview ng Barda, actually kahapon napanood ko na to eh. Ay, hindi ko na siya napanood, nakita ko na to siya sa TikTok. Pero, ang sama ng pakiramdam ko kahapon. Like, literally, sobrang sama talaga ng pakiramdam ko. So, I won't take any longer. Hindi muna tayo magpapakilig for today's video or hindi muna tayo magchichika ng bonggang-bongga kasi nagpapagaling ako eh. Diba? Baka mabina tayo for today's video. Bongga na yung laklak ko ng Berocca, ng Redoxon, ng orange, ng banana. Apple na lang talaga yung kulang for today's video para malaklak natin to. Anyways, kahapon, pinanood ko talaga, inanalyze ko talaga kahapon yung McDonald's nila. And iba-vlog ko ulit yan. May mga napansin ako talaga sa McDonald's talaga na parang, alam mo yung, hindi ko napansin na gumawa ako ng reaction video. But nevertheless, agad-agad, gawa natin yung reaction video, ang interview nila dito sa Buzz. Pero hindi sila magkasama, no?
Hey everyone, I'm Barbie Forteza.
Wait, what makes David different from your previous?
What I like most about David is that kung ano man yung achievements na nakukuha niya.
Ay, words of affirmation.
Hindi niya pinapaabot sa ulo niya.
Ay, true. Parang humble ka talaga si David.
Same David na nakatrabaho ko sa
Imagine, milyonaryo ka pag gala-gala ka.
He's been receiving praises and a lot of
milyonaryo na nga siya.
now, pero he stays grounded.
Pero ikaw pa din.
Totoo siyang tao, totoo siyang kausap. Masaya siyang kausap at masaya siyang katrabaho.
So masaya, ibig sabihin na pa-fall ka na for today's video. May lang.
Vaguely, I am David's girlfriend.
Ay!
Pero supportive girlfriend na lang siguro, 'di ba? Kasi nga 'di ba as a gamer,
Wait, ano?
girlfriend. Vaguely, vague.
Wait. The role you're playing in the shoot. In the shoot. Okay.
Vaguely, I am
Vaguely?
David's girlfriend.
Okay.
Pero supportive girlfriend na lang siguro, 'di ba?
Ay?
Kasi nga 'di ba as a gamer siya dito. So bilang very understanding girlfriend ako dito na accepted ko na medyo kahati ko sa attention ang gaming.
Ay!
So yun yung role ko dito.
Kaya ba talaga dapat, Mel?
Sarap!
Sa Thailand.
Sarap ng food!
Kasarap talaga yung food sa
Sarap
Thailand,
talaga.
actually. Nag-Thailand ako noong October.
Na-try
Sobrang
ko na
sarap.
yung Thai milk. First time ko po kasi dito sa Thailand. So, kahit very short work trip lang ito, we will make sure na ma-maximize namin ang Thailand as much as we can. So, kagabi, nag-try kami ng Thai milk tea.
Yun yung hindi ko na-try yung Thai milk tea. Na-try ko. Hindi ko bet.
Dinner.
Gongcha pa din.
Sobrang sarap.
Gongcha pa din ako.
Yung weather, pretty much the same sa
Pilipinas.
Pero
ang
malagkit
init.
dito in fairness.
Ay, hindi naman siya malagkit, pero mainit.
Hindi, fresh ka pa rin kahit naglalakad ka. Naglakad lang kasi kami kagabi. Tapos,
Best in walk sa Chatuchak. Charis.
very nice ang mga tao dito.
Ay, true.
And masayang mamili. Masayang mag-shopping dito kasi murang mamili. So, yun. Ang saya.
True.
I wanna go back.
So, like, what about Buzz Up? Ay,
What I like most about
Buzz Up? Kailangan ko ng ano yan.
is convenience. Talaga. Ako kasi honestly, tamad akong, lalo na pag in the middle of working, talaga, tamad akong mag-text. Yung ang haba-haba ng
Ako
i-text
din.
mo, i-construct mo pa ng maayos.
Kaya ako
diba?
WhatsApp ako eh.
So, mas gusto ko yung
Voice
talagang,
message.
ganito, ganyan, yung talagang real time, na ma-receive ng kausap ko kung anong gusto kong sabihin. So,
voice-
kung ano man yung nararamdaman ko.
Voice
at that
app.
moment, mararamdaman
Parehas
ko yun,
kami.
maririnig niya yung
WhatsApp.
kahit malayo
WhatsApp ang
sa
gamit
isa't isa.
namin.
Yung ganon, yung talagang instant voice messaging.
Voice
Yun ang
messaging,
pinaka-convenient sa kanya. And yung convenience niya na nakakatulong din sa akin sa trabaho ko.
How do you feel about Big TV sila?
I am
May TVs ba
deeply
sila?
honored and grateful because
Ayun ba yung ano? Naglalakad sila?
this is a very big project. Not only
Yung kumakanta si
I think
David?
the brand
Yun na ba yung
is
TVC
not only
nila?
launching it in the Philippines, but at other countries as well, So David and I are both very grateful because we get to represent the Philippines for Buzz App, and we can't wait to finally share this to the Philippines.
Okay. Ano sikat ng bata? Ay, The chemistry na makatotohanan na naganap.
Mahabang pasensya.
Bakit pasensya?
Understanding.
Bakit?
Lot of
Oh, love is all about trust and understanding, ah. So, love na talaga yan.
So, it's one thing we have in common. So,
Good
yun
ka si
yung
Barbie, naggigigil ako.
Thank
Oh.
you.
Ay, tapos na?
So much.
Yun na yun. Okay, next tayo. Ay, ito naman. Itong bus up, ha? Meron pa talagang ano, ha? Yung kanilang...
Type na very
Ay.
caring.
Ay,
Hi, David.
caring. Hindi mo kaya. Caring naman pala for today's video.
I think her understanding. I think we are both different
Ay,
human beings. We have different personalities. The way I work is different from her. So I think her understanding me and me understanding her. That's where we
excuse me.
connect.
Didighay na naman ako.
we Work. But because she's a type na very caring and whenever we're acting also,
Ay, talaga ba?
he never goes overboard. Like parang she empathizes with me in a way na okay, this is how David work and this is how I work. So okay,
Oh.
meet in the middle. And I guess I mean si Barbie she's also super nice na person.
Ba't parang ngayon hindi mo na ba't parang natitensya pag binabanggit ang Barbie na pangalan? Ba't parang natitense naman ang ate ko?
I mean we're not physically together.
Ang gwapo ni David, no? Nasa
we're
ano?
in a place na hindi siya comfortable. So, ako naman, I'm at home. Since I'm busy, ganyan, hindi ko naman siya kayang all the time. So, with the Buzz app, she would feel safe because marinig niya yung voice ko. It's like magkasama talaga kami.
Ang hinihin niya talaga. Ang hinihin niya talaga, dear. Promise.
It's easy to use. Number 2, the instant messaging. And yung pag may nag-send sa akin ng voice note, pero ayoko pa siya basahin at that moment, it converts into a text message.
Text message.
Yun. And then yung emojis, very innovative, super fun. I'm super excited just because...
Excited? Malambing talaga siya, no?
Having this app na sobrang ganda, useful, and innovative. I just can't wait na ma-share yun sa mga Filipinos na to make their lives easier. I mean, I know the hassle of traffic and siguro the pressure of work, school, diba? So, I think with the Buzz app na, alam mo, like super ganda, super innovative na, hindi na nila, parang they wouldn't have to go through the hassle.
Okay. Ay, tapos na? Nabiti naman ako for today's video. Ay, ito pala yung TVC nila.
Hindi pa, malayo pa nga eh.
So, ba kantahan kita para at least parang magkasama pa rin tayo?
Hindi mo kaya.
Silent na
Ito pala yung TVC nila.
all is calm.
Feel. What is feel for today's video?
Buzz. Voice connects.
Voice connects. Maganda to ang buzz, in fairness. Alright, there you go guys. That is our for today's video. This is KJ Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!